still हमारे घरों में parents are not very tech savvy. Do you think it is a challenge?
I think everyone has been very much accustomed to using remotes. So you can always just sit and आपने अपने remote से control कर लिया lights और fans and जो भी. We also feel like the Gemini and the Alexa, the voice assistants, I think they also help. Any elderly in the family who is not that tech savvy, he can just
So your
ask
app
the Alexa.
integrates with the
Yeah,
Alexa,
the Alexa,
and
the Google, so they can always just
voice command.
Yeah, voice command. When there's an urgency and you have to, you are late and आपको जल्दी काम पे जाना है, so sometimes आप भूल जाते हो कि हाँ गीजर बंद करना था. In those scenarios, you can go back on your mobile application to check कि गीजर ऑन है कि नहीं. And even if it is that is not the case, तो हम आपको notification दे ही देंगे कि 2-3 घंटे से गीजर चल रहा है. Do you need it to be turned off? And then basis on your answer, we'll turn it off. अगर आपके कमरे में ऑरा लगा हुआ है, हमारे लूमस स्मार्ट पैनल्स भी लगे हुए हैं, तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज जैसे ही टेम्परेचर आपके कमरे का 20 डिग्री से नीचे जाता है तो एसी बंद हो जाए, एंड जैसे ही इट गोज अबव 28 और 30 डिग्रीज तो एसी ऑन हो जाए. इट विल एक्चुअली लुक आफ्टर योर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल इज वेल. स्पेशली जब दिवाली या फिर द विंटर मंथ्स कम, people are now opting for air purifier for each and every one of their rooms. It has almost become a necessity for us. It is not a luxury. Let's say now you're coming back from office to your home. आपने अपना AC ऑन करने पे लगा दिया and you want कि जब तक आप घर जाओ तब तक कमरा भी ठंडा हो जाए and AC भी बंद हो जाए. So in such ways your life would become a lot more easier कि there are things which would be ready for you by the time you wake up or by the time you arrive.
Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome back to my channel Career Talks with Berkha. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि हर स्टार्टअप के पीछे बहुत सारी स्लीपलेस नाइट्स, फेलियर्स, रिस्क, डिटर्मिनेशन और बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क होता है. पर एक स्टार्टअप काम करता कैसे है जब हम एक प्रॉब्लम को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह देखते हैं. आज मेरे एपिसोड में एक ऐसे ही गेस्ट आए हैं जिनका नाम है कनिष्क गुलाटी, who's transforming our home spaces by smart automation. तो आज हम उनसे जानेंगे कि कैसे स्मार्ट प्रोडक्ट्स हमारी डेली लाइफ में हमें हेल्प कर सकते हैं. और अगर आप थोड़े से भी इंटरेस्टेड हैं इस स्टार्टअप के बारे में जानने के लिए, या आप टेक्नोलॉजी में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, या आप सिर्फ एक इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी ही सुनना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ इस एपिसोड को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए. सो लेट्स वेलकम कनिष्क. Hello Kanishk, welcome to my show. So how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, so please tell me more about yourself and your startup.
So I'm the co-founder of Meshams, and it's a consumer tech smart home brand. And what we are trying to do is we are trying to revolutionize how the urban India lives and interacts with the devices around them.
तो आप थोड़ा समझा सकते हो कि कौन से स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस की आप बात कर रहे हो. और
So basically there are a lot of devices around us that we interact with on a daily basis, which is like starting from a coffee machine or lights, fans, ACs and geezers. And for the longest of times they have been just stagnant, they have been dumb. But over the last 5 to 10 years there have been some sort of a push that is now moving towards automating them to make our lives more convenient and more comfortable. As in, you want to wake up to a particular temperature of water when you go for your shower. You want to, bask in the early sunlight that comes into your living room. You want your curtains to open at a specific time. You want your lights to open at a specific time. So basically developing a very tightly knitted, integrated system is what we are developing towards, to sort of unlock the next level of convenience and comfort. So what Blinkit and Zepto has done is make Indians much more comfortable within their own homes. We now do not really have to go out for our basic necessities. So that part of convenience is solved. And now what we are doing is we are now sort of unlocking the next layer of convenience.
Okay, so let me take a step back, and like for me and my audience, I just want you to explain in very simple language. When you say dumb devices and now we have smart devices, so a smart home, इसका क्या मतलब है, and what is automation like?
Yeah. So smart home basically is कि अभी हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं and we want any of the lights here turned off. So what we can just simply do is like either we can call out for Gemini or Alexa or Siri and ask them to turn off the devices, or we can just simply use a mobile phone to turn them off. If we want to turn them on, if we want AC at a specific temperature, हमें पंखे की speed we have to move from 2 to 3 to 4, things like that. Agar we know that someone has come to our door, and it's someone that we know, it's a relative that we had invited, and but we're not feeling like getting up, so we can just unlock the door right from our mobile phones, things like
Okay.
that.
ओके या सो टेक्नोलॉजी अब बिल्कुल हमारे घर में तो आ ही चुकी है.
Yeah.
तो इन योर स्टार्टअप यू हैव ऑल्सो मेड द ऐप ऑल्सो
Yeah.
थ्रू विच लाइक से आई कैन कंट्रोल एवरीथिंग.
Yeah. So basically,
the
we do
switches.
have our own Play Store listed application called Mesham's only.
ओके
Yeah.
ओके ग्रेट. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द मेन क्वेश्चन कि कैसे ये आइडिया आया दैट ओके वेयर यू हैव ओके हंड्रेड्स ऑफ आइडियाज
Yeah.
बट दिस इज द वन दैट आई वांट टू वर्क ऑन कि मुझे इस पे काम करना है.
So Indian homes are one thing that we found was that there is a gold mine of data that is lying here that is still very much unscraped. And so this was one of the main things. The other one, which was obvious one, was that the smart homes have now become quite dumb as well. And like obviously they were first are dumb homes, and then the
How?
smart homes
How?
came.
Like, how?
So dumb homes, like obviously there are those plastic switches that used to come that you have to sort of walk towards to and then
Mhm.
turn them on and off manually. Then smart homes came where you can just do it with your mobile phones only.
Mhm.
And then obviously now AI is so woven into our lives that we cannot now possibly imagine a life without AI or a day without AI. So that is now what we were working towards next, to sort of integrate AI, integrate the intelligence into smart homes.
Okay.
So there's this one. The other one that we found was that most of the hardware that is in India is mostly Chinese white labeled. So a lot of the data that is done via smart homes actually lives in China only, like somewhere in Shenzhen, a server is lying there which has all the Indian data, the Indian consumption data of, let's say कि आप कितना AC एक दिन में use कर रहे हो, मैं कितना AC एक दिन में use कर रहा हूँ. So that does not necessarily mean that it is unsafe, but it is just owned by someone else. So that is what we also want to bring to India, so that basis that data as well, we can develop more products that make the lives more convenient.
And this was exactly going to be my next question, but I think you have answered it कि ऑलरेडी ऐसे स्टार्टअप्स या कंपनीज
Yeah.
होंगी ही जो स्मार्ट होम्स या
Yeah.
स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस एज यू आर सेइंग बना रही हैं. सो व्हाई टू मेक इट इन इंडिया? सो आई थिंक यू हैव आंसर्ड इट.
Yeah,
Because
so
of
like
safety.
yeah, safety is one thing where we feel like if we have the ownership of data, we can develop more products accordingly that sort of helps them understand their homes much better, help them unlock certain level of convenience as well. And other than that, what we felt was key most of the applications as well, the UI level, the UX level of the interface which the user interacts with the mobile phones for the smart home, it's very much like a banking site or a government made site. It's that old, it's that full of friction. So that's what we also wanted to solve via our own application.
राइट. एंड ऑल्सो डू यू फील कि हम तो मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी, हम कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं, तो क्या ये प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज बहुत ही लग्जरी होम्स और अल्ट्रा रिच के लिए है, या फिर ये एक नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लिए भी एक्सेसिबल है जो आप बना रहे हो?
Yeah, so that's what our aim is as well, to sort of make these things more accessible to the larger part of India as well, not just the metros of India, but to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, whether it's in Punjab, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Basically, it should not be a luxury anymore. I feel like this is a necessity now that we should
Right.
now, that we are working actively towards.
So where all like you're providing your services, could you tell? Like
Yeah.
in which cities?
Yeah, so currently we are providing in Punjab, Delhi, NCR, Uttar Pradesh and Odisha only. So that's where we have started from.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. No, that's great. Also, आपको क्या लगता है कि इसके साथ जैसे जैसे you will grow and
Yeah.
I'm sure you will add more products to it, क्या और सिक्योरिटी challenges भी आ सकते हैं, या और भी कोई challenges जो
Yeah, obviously. See, when the data is lying somewhere in the cloud, there will always be data security challenges. Phishing attacks, hackers. It's no secret that even the most secured servers of Meta and Amazon gets hacked. So that's one thing that we are also mindful of. But we'll do our best. We'll hire the best sort of team to address this challenge, so that the data of the Indian users who have trusted us with their data, with their consumption data, so we'll keep that safe.
Okay, yeah. फेयर इनफ। ठीक है, तो हम इससे पहले और इसके बारे में बात करें, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने पढ़ा कि देयर इज़ वन मोर को फाउंडर विद यू,
Yeah.
सो हाउ डिड यू टू मीट एंड देन यू डिसाइडेड कि ओके वी वांट टू
Yeah.
स्टार्ट दिस?
So actually, I was supposed to do a 6-month internship for my college, and so that's where I met Rohan. So I first interned with him for our autonomous air purifier called ISAC, which is coming out next year. So I had first started interning with him, and then I started doing full time only, working on the air purifier. But then while we were working on our own in-house products, we actually found a very huge gap in the already existing smart home industry, and that's where we sort of pivoted a little bit to first actually start from smart home automation, dig deeper, and then move towards our own in-house products that we're working on.
Okay.
So that's how the entire sort of thought process, the entire startup actually blossomed into a
Okay.
reality.
तो आपके इंटर्नशिप से ही आपने सोच लिया कि
Yeah.
ओ आई वांट टू वर्क विद हिम एंड वी वांट टू स्टार्ट दिस?
No, so actually, like at
Journey.
the point of internship, I was obviously like applying for other jobs as well. But obviously the work culture here was good. I could actually express myself, like my thoughts and opinions were heard of. So in that sense there was also like a bit of security, and there was this excitement as well of what we're building. Like obviously living in a city like Delhi, you do believe in a product like air purifier ki to chalega hi chalega. Like this is a very sure shot bet.
Right.
So yeah, I mean, I would not say ki at the time of internship only or within the few months of full time I had my mind made up, but it was a very like a slow gradual process that.
Okay. So was there any resistance from your family and parents, or like were they totally supportive ki ha Kanishk, you should go for it and
Yeah,
do
no, so
whatever
they
you
were totally supportive. They were not really against the idea of it. And yeah, I mean, they also sort of agreed with the fact that, I am young right now, and this is the sort of age to take risks as well. And yeah, they believed in the idea of the product as well. Like they're also now seeing ki, okay, there's a need of air purifier. The smart home market is also now booming. Like they're also seeing it. So they sort of, they were supportive.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, very very glad to hear that. तो so you had no pressure of कि अरे नहीं गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना है या
Yeah, no,
किसी
no,
जॉब
no.
के लिए अप्लाई करना है. So yeah, that's really nice to hear. Okay. So okay Kanishk, क्या आप मुझे थोड़ा अपने करंट प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बता सकते हो, एंड व्हाट आर द अदर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर कमिंग इन?
So अभी हमारे पास जो market ready catalog है, that is of smart switches. So those are retrofit smart switches only. तो basically what I mean by retrofit is कि जो घरों में existing panels जो होते हैं, तो the wiring that goes behind them. So हमारे जो smart switches हैं, उनकी भी same wiring होती है. So it is basically a plug and play situation.
Okay.
जहाँ पे जो आपके existing switches होंगे, we will replace those exact ones with exact similar size, with exact sizing. And what we will do is आपका निकाला and बस हमने अपना switch panel डाल दिया. So it's as simple as that. There is no sort of a construction or a rewiring required.
Okay.
Or like let's say कि a repainting or a wall kind of a thing, ऐसा कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो existing जो panels होते हैं, we just remove that and we'll plug our own.
तो लेट्स से मेरे घर में मैंने आपसे ये स्विचेस लगवाए,
Yeah.
एंड नाउ आई हैव द ऐप ऑन माय फोन, सो आई
Yeah.
कैन कंट्रोल all the lights.
Yeah.
Basically.
Lights, fans, ACs, geezers.
Okay.
Yeah, and
But that also means कि फिर मुझे अपने geezers और fans ये सब okay,
हाँ.
fan is working through the switch, but कुछ device मतलब जो equipments है, home
Yeah.
equipments, वो भी update करने पड़ेंगे, or will they work?
No. So basically, let's say it's an AC or a geyser, right? So उनका भी like there's a specific point or like on a panel, right? So we'll just replace that panel
Okay.
with our own panel, and then what you can do is once the panel is installed, you can configure that panel on your mobile application कि okay, this is
Okay.
ये सारे points जो हैं lights के हैं, this one is for geyser, this one is for fan, this one is for light.
Okay, great. तो इस केस में द app, the application, can it also give me notifications or suggestions that your geyser is on for 10 minutes,
Yeah,
please switch it off?
yeah.
Like,
Yeah, so basically we will be giving
Okay.
you notifications अगर कोई there's a unusual detect, like there's a unusually long time से अगर कुछ heavy appliance चल रहा है, let's say an AC or a geyser. कि so basically आजकल भी we are seeing that there are a lot of fire incidents that are being caused, which are mostly being caused because ACs and geysers जो हैं बहुत लंबे टाइम तक चले रह जाते हैं. And ACs I still feel कि बंदा समझ जाता है कि ओके चलो AC चल रहा है तो बंद कर दे because the room gets colder. गीजर्स में यही चीज़ नहीं पता चलती कभी कभार, स्पेशली इन विंटर्स एंड स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग दोज मॉर्निंग्स व्हेन यू आर when there's an urgency and you are late and आपको जल्दी काम पे जाना है, so sometimes आप भूल जाते हो कि हाँ गीज़र बंद करना था. I think this one thing is very common, especially with me as well, कि मैं अभी कभी कभार भूल जाता हूँ कि गीज़र बंद करना, because it is sometimes very easy to forget जब आपका दिमाग कहीं और हो या फिर ऐसी जल्दबाजी में करना भूल गए. So in those scenarios you can obviously you can go back on your mobile application to check कि अगर गीज़र ऑन है कि नहीं, and even if it is that is not the case तो हम आपको एक टाइम के बाद नोटिफिकेशन दे ही देंगे कि 2-3 घंटे से गीज़र चल रहा है, डू यू नीड इट टू बी टर्न्ड ऑफ, एंड देन बेसिस ऑन योर आंसर we'll turn it off.
तो अभी तक तो दिस इज साउंडिंग वेरी वेरी यूजफुल टू मी. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दी अदर प्रोडक्ट्स आईसैक एंड ऑरा मैंने पढ़ा था, तो वो क्या है?
Yeah, so basically Aura is coming the fall of this year only.
Okay.
So basically बाहर का data we are very well known of. Newspapers, Instagram news, all of them they do give us a very good data of कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है, कि बाहर कितनी AQI है, कितना टेम्परेचर है, कितना ह्यूमिडिटी है, and obviously that part of the data is alarming when it is high, but sometimes on days of good AQI that necessarily is not the case जब घर के inside भी. तो घर का जो अंदर का जो डेटा है, environment data, by environment data I mean temperature, humidity, the AQI, so वो चीज़ जो है वो काफ़ी unknown है, which Indians are not really aware of कि उनके घर पे actually में क्या कितनी AQI ख़राब है. So that is something that now we are solving with Aura, where we would be able to give you a very comprehensive report of what actually is going inside your home, because curtains होते हैं, curtains, rugs, these accumulate dust over a period of time.
Right.
So they also cause the AQI to rise up. So that is something which we are not really aware of जब तक let's say दिवाली की सफाई नहीं होती, no one really knows or cares about कि कितनी dust है. And even if दिवाली की सफाई के जब भी कोई टाइम आता है तो they don't really know कि even these things are impacting their health. There is also a case of carbon monoxide as well. So basically if the carbon monoxide levels, if they go beyond a certain limit, they can cause you to hallucinate as well.
Yeah.
Now that is not really the case, that is not very like a very popular case in India, but बाहर जो जैसे in countries like USA, there is a very major problem of increasing carbon monoxide inside the houses.
Yeah.
So that is something that now we are solving with Aura as well, because what our vision is कि okay, we are now developing in India for India, but our vision obviously is to sort of go outside as well and make products for other countries too, and not just India. So that is what our ambition is as well. So this is the one that is coming the fall of this year. And
तो Aura एक smart air purifier है.
It's not an air purifier, it's just an environment sensor, just giving a very
Environment
comprehensive
sensor. Okay.
report of what is happening inside your home.
Okay.
Now obviously the very immediate usage that you can do with this data is, so let's say you prefer a certain temperature range of your room. So what you can do is कि if there is, let's say कि अगर आपके कमरे में Aura लगा हुआ है, so what you can, and हमारे Luma Smart panels भी लगे हुए हैं, तो what you can do is कि okay, you want कि जैसे ही टेम्परेचर आपके कमरे का 20 डिग्री से नीचे जाता है तो AC बंद हो जाए, and जैसे ही it goes above 28 or 30 degrees तो AC on हो जाए. So that is also something that you would be able to automate with this entire like package. कि आपको you basically, because sometimes even this happens with me as well कि मैं when I go to sleep मैं AC चला दूंगा and then
Okay, so is it something ये जो आपने setting बोली AC की that I can fix, or is it something that
that
it
is
is
completely
learning on
that
its
is completely dependent on you only कि आपको कौन सा
Okay.
टेम्परेचर पे करवाना, like what is your comfortable temperature.
ठीक है, तो right now the control is with me, it's not an
Yeah,
AI
yeah.
agent who's
No,
deciding.
it's not with AI. It's आपको ही
ठीक है.
बताना पड़ेगा कि आपको कौन सा टेम्परेचर रेंज पे आपको AC ऑन एंड ऑफ चाहिए. बिकॉज मतलब दिस इज समथिंग विद मी एज वेल कि मैं जब रात में सोऊंगा तो मैं AC चला दूंगा, एंड इवन दो आई विल बी शिवरिंग थ्रू आउट द नाइट, आई विल बी जस्ट टू लेजी टू एक्चुअली टर्न ऑफ द AC. एंड कभी मतलब this happens with me a lot. This happens with my siblings as well. कि कभी कभी just forget to turn off the AC, and I feel like this would be an actual solution because this would not compromise your electricity bill. So not your comfort, but it will actually look after your electricity bill as well. कि the consumption would be managed now as per your comfort.
Okay. I have a very basic question.
Yeah.
So the smart switches जो आपके पास है, so they can be controlled by the app
Yeah.
or by touch.
Yeah.
And
App
I can
and touch, and
Okay.
if you want to IR remote as well. So we do have a
remote
remote
also.
as well. So basically you can
Okay.
use that as well.
Okay. Because I want to understand कि I'm sure you must have done your research
Yeah.
कि हमारे इंडियन मार्केट में अभी स्टिल हमारे घरों में पेरेंट्स आर नॉट वेरी टेक savvy.
Yeah.
तो उनके लिए फ़ोन से अगर मैं उनको बोलूँ कि नहीं आपको ये एक और ऐप डाउनलोड
Yeah,
करना
yeah,
है
yeah.
और ओपन करना है और फिर लाइट ऑन ऑफ कर, आई थिंक दे माइट प्रेफर कि अरे बस उठो और ऑन ऑफ कर दो. सो डू यू थिंक इट इज़ अ चैलेंज या फिर और इसको हम कैसे आपने कैसे सोचा है कि लाइक हाउ
I think remotes are one thing because I think everyone has been very much like accustomed to using remotes. So you can always just sit and आपने अपने remote से control कर लिया lights और fans जो भी. And other than that, we also feel like the Gemini and the Alexa, the voice assistants, I think they
Yeah.
also help.
Okay.
That any elderly in the family who is not that tech savvy, he can
Okay.
just
So your
ask
app
the Alexa.
integrates with the
yeah,
Alexa.
the Alexa,
and-
the Google,
Okay.
so they can always just
Voice command.
yeah, voice
works.
command.
Okay, then works because I was just thinking that
Yeah.
even after like for me, if I'm working and I'm coming back home
Yeah.
and I just don't want to have more of screen time.
Yeah.
Like I do not want even to open my phone, and so of course if there is a remote and voice command, so
Yeah.
that's better.
I think even for the elderly as well, I feel like this is a very useful feature because unko, like this minimizes unnecessary movements for like very basic things. कि like आपको AC अगर उनको lights turn on off करनी है, उन्हें पंखा कम धीरे करना है,
Right.
they are also not now dependent on other people, or they have to move themselves. They can simply either use the remote or use the voice command to control whatever devices whichever way
Right.
they want.
Now since we are talking about this, so
Yeah.
it reminds me, आपने भी वो ad देखा होगा. So if that person goes to the doctor and now his
Yeah.
voice is changed,
Yeah.
तो अब in that case how will it work? Because if there are elderly people who
Yeah.
only think कि हम voice command से तो चलो इसे use कर सकते हैं, and somehow they have misplaced the remote, so and they do not know like opening a phone and
Yeah.
like working through the app, तो वो कैसे इसे use कर पाएंगे, और like how would you navigate that challenge?
Yeah, so voice commands, I think, especially that are done through phones. Like I agree with the point of Alexa, of using an Echo speaker or a Google Nest Mini speaker, but those same assistants now also work on our mobile phones as well. So they don't necessarily have to sort of struggle with a changed voice. They can always sort of like activate the voice assistant on their phone and then do whatever command they want to execute.
Okay.
Yeah.
So their voice is not like in iPhones we have our voices recognized.
Yeah.
तो अगर वो कोई भी और बोलेगा, so it will open or
No, so
start.
basically उनके पास अपना phone है, तो they can always do with their phones as well, right?
Okay. But seems like it's still a challenge.
So yeah, again, so that is something which is not entirely in our control now. It's
Yeah,
basically
yeah,
with the big tech only. So that is something that we just have to now adjust ourselves to, because it is with the big
Right.
tech of the West.
Right. I was just watching one more video where people generally now have smart locks outside their doors.
Yeah.
तो उसमें fingerprint भी है, उसमें code भी है,
Yeah.
and उसमें they have also given a key कि
Yeah.
if someone forgets the
Yeah.
code also and
Yeah.
fingerprint is not working, you always have a key also to open it. So like keeping all the options handy for the customer so
Yeah.
that they don't
Yeah, we'll lock out. Yeah.
yeah, right. Okay, Kanishk. So मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपके जो डिवाइसेस या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं या जो भी आप फ्यूचर में लाना चाहते हैं, ये जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग डिवाइसेस है उससे कैसे compete करेंगे? लाइक एज अ कस्टमर, क्या मेरे पास प्राइस में कोई बेनिफिट है, या आप कैसे डिज़ाइन कर रहे हो इसको? कौन सी कैटेगरी ऑफ यूजर्स के लिए आप डिज़ाइन कर रहे हो?
So basically one differentiation जो हमारा है, like starting with the Aura one, so there do exist similar, like let's say an indoor environment sensor module, but either they are not smart enough, as in they do not connect to Wi-Fi, and उनके पास एक display होता है where you get the information, like the ones that you can get on Amazon for a very cheap price, which don't even know if they are like giving out the correct data. And even if they otherwise do have Wi-Fi, then also most of the times they're very much standalone. Like वो बस आपको एक डेटा बता देंगे कि this यही डेटा है, and that is the only thing. What we feel we are doing different is कि with the data that you get from Aura, either you can, like as I said before, कि you'll be able to sort of control the ACs in your room. So there is an actual useful thing that you can control, you can do with the data that you're getting from Aura. And coming to the AQI part as well, so that is where we come to our next product, Isaac, which would be our autonomous air purifier. So basis the AQI in each of your rooms in your home, your living room, Isaac would be able to identify at the start of its purifying cycle कि कौन सा कमरा सबसे ज़्यादा गंदा है, right? तो उसी हिसाब से he'll prioritize the most polluted room, and it will go clean that room first, and it will then prioritize the lesser polluted rooms accordingly.
Okay.
कि जैसे कई कमरों में अगर नहीं है ज़रूरत तो it won't even go there, like let's say कहीं पे AQI 20 या 25 है, like ऐसा अगर if there is such an anomaly of a room कि वो पूरा दिन बंद रहा, things like that, तो वो वहाँ पे नहीं जाएगा, वो 20-25 की AQI है, because that does not make, because 20-25 is already a very good number. And in otherwise scenarios as well, like let's say कि अभी हम इस कमरे में बैठे हैं and the AQI is like 150, बट कोई और कमरे में द AQI is 300 बट वो खाली पड़ा हुआ है, तो देन ऑल्सो Isaac would be able to identify कि ओके द वन विच इज ऑक्यूपाइड दैट रिमेन्स ऑन अ हायर प्रायोरिटी, बिकॉज वहाँ पे एक्चुअली ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है क्लीनिंग की, इवन दो किसी और कमरे में 300 है बट वो खाली पड़ा, सो देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट टू क्लीन दैट रूम फर्स्ट. इट वुड बी क्लीन्ड बट लेटर ऑन द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी वुड बी टू क्लीन द room which is occupied.
Right.
So that is something which we figure is a very sort of a good differentiator from us, other than the fact कि that air purifier is autonomous. Because आज की डेट में मैं भी ये चीज़ देखता हूँ कि जब भी especially जब भी दिवाली या फिर the winter months come, तो people are now opting for air purifier for each and every one of their rooms. It's not a, like, it has almost become a necessity for us. It is not a luxury anymore, especially in a city like Delhi, जहाँ पे at least हमारे किसे 7-8 years back we only used to have a single air purifier. But in the last year हमने भी सोचा कि okay, now there is an actual need for more, because living room में ही आप हमेशा नहीं होते, आप कभी कभार अपने कमरों में भी होते, like most of the times you are in your rooms as well. And सोते टाइम भी you need air purifier on. And obviously there are families जहाँ पे there are people जिनको अस्थमा है, जिनको breathing problems हैं, so उस cases में भी there becomes a necessity कि आप एक से ज़्यादा air purifiers रखो भी.
Okay. So for now, like the device that you're talking about, Aura, तो ये क्या मुझे एक जो आपका ऐप है मीशैम्स, उस पे एक मंथली या वीकली रिपोर्ट भेज सकता है, या मुझे खुद ही उस डेटा को देख के एनालाइज करना है कि
so आपको एक तो डेली का तो आपको जो whenever you'll open the application, आपको एक डैशबोर्ड पे आपको दिख ही जाएगा. So basically let's say आप you chose a room for yourself and वहाँ पे Aura है, तो वो आपको आपके कमरे का पूरा डिटेल बताएगा कि okay, this is the data which is in your room currently. And obviously if you have to get the monthly data or the daily data or the weekly data, then you can always just tap on the device and get the report yourself as well.
Yeah. So, can you also tell me, like, if I start my day by
Yeah.
like living in a smart home and I end my day, so how it's going to be beneficial to me? Like, वो मेरे दिन को आसान कैसे बना रहा है?
Yeah. So let's say it's a winter's time, okay, and you have an early morning wake up call, like you have to go somewhere, jaldi utna hai. So so starting from working a night before, what you can just simply do is कि okay, if you're waking up at 6:30 a.m. so आपने 6 बजे किया कि 6 बजे आपका गीज़र ऑन हो जाए and it turns off at 6:20 6:25. So by the time you wake up, एक तो आपका गीज़र भी एक तो बंद हो गया, so you are saving up on electricity as well, and you're waking up immediately to warm water. You do not have to now wait for the water to get warm. आपने उसको एक रात पहले ही ऑटोमेटिक हिसाब से कर दिया था कि आप आधे घंटे पहले वो ऑन हो जाएगा, पानी गर्म हो जाएगा, एंड बाय द टाइम यू वेक अप वो बंद हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन नाउ इमीडिएटली यू कैन शावर, यू कैन ब्रश, एंड वो सारी चीज़ें दैट वुड बी एबल टू डू ईजिली. टाइम भी बच जाएगा बिकॉज नाउ यू आर नॉट वेटिंग फॉर द वाटर टू गेट वार्म फर्स्ट. Other than that, you can also automate your curtains as well. कि आपको, if you know that you want your curtains to be open at a specific time, especially at a time when you are waking up, you want the curtains to open up. So you can do that as well. So you get the direct sunlight.
Okay.
So there is that. And let's say like you are leaving the room, you are leaving your house now, and you don't want कि आप सबसे पहले हर एक कमरे जाके आप चेक करो कि कहीं कुछ ऑन तो नहीं रह गया, कहीं कुछ ऑफ तो नहीं रह गया. So what you can do is, so we also have in our catalog all these NFC tags as well. So these NFC tags you can paste anywhere, even on your fridge, your bedside table, your room door, your entry exit door. So आपने बस exit door पे you just paste this sticker, and आपने बस अपने फ़ोन के बैक से उस पर टैप किया, and the devices that you had pre-selected, they will all get turned off. कि now because it's basically the exit mode will then be executed कि now you are leaving the house, and अभी सारी चीज़ें जो हैं जो आपने सेलेक्ट की थी वो टर्न ऑफ हो जाएंगी विदाउट एनी वरिंग फॉर यू कि ओके कहीं मैं ये तो नहीं चलाना भूल गई हैं, ये तो नहीं चला रह गया, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. एंड सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ वन थिंग. Other than that is कि let's say now you're coming back from home, or you're coming back from office to your home. आपको अपना AC चाहिए कि जब तक आप आओ तब तक आपका AC जो आपका कमरा जो ठंडा हो जाए. यू कैन डू दैट कि अब जैसे ही अब आप ऑफिस से निकले तो आपने अपना AC ऑन करने पे लगा दिया, एंड यू वांट कि जब तक आप घर जाओ तब तक कमरा भी ठंडा हो जाए एंड AC भी बंद हो जाए. तो यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल. यू कैन डू सिमिलर थिंग्स विद द गीजर एज वेल. सो इन सच वेज योर लाइफ लाइक वुड बिकम like a lot more easier कि there are things which would be ready for you by the time you wake up or by the time you arrive.
Oh, that's good to hear. But also as a user, I think, and you also tell me about it, क्या ये चैलेंज नहीं आ सकता कि इन टुडेज टाइम लाइक आई रियली लाइक 2 of your products, तो वो 2 मैंने आपसे लिए, बट देन आई वांट अ स्मार्ट लॉक ऑन माई डोर फॉर माई सिक्योरिटी, और मैंने वो लिया, एंड देन आई वांट सम डैश कैम्स एंड कैमराज आउटसाइड माई डोर्स, वो मैंने किसी और कंपनी से ले लिया. सो एज अ यूज़र इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि अब मुझे 4 और नए ऐप्स को मैनेज करना है. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, लाइक एज अ यूज़र एंड दैट टू इन इंडिया, how we can make it easier?
Yeah, so I mean, first of all, like we do sell smart locks as well, so I feel like that part of that part of the problem is also like now figured out. But yeah, like I agree with the hassle of downloading another application. Like it is always a hassle of managing and first of all installing multiple apps for a simple thing as controlling your home and then managing. तो बात की बात है. But I feel like this is where the tech giants also help in a way कि if you are opting for products from multiple companies as well, smart home platforms like Google and Alexa, they do provide you a one-stop solution to sort of control all of them together.
Okay.
So like let's say if there are lights that you have to get from either Philips or Wipro, and the panels are from us, the environment sensors are from us, so you can then sort of integrate that Google Home or the Alexa skill on the respective platform, and फिर आप उसको वहाँ पे जाके आप सारा control कर सकते हो how you want things to be.
Right. Okay. And I think you also mentioned that if it's being installed in a home and in a family of 10, then one person can share the access कि कौन किसको, तो उसके बारे में आप एक बार explain कर दीजिए.
So basically this has sort of arise from a very like a silly thing where basically siblings would poke fun at each other by now that they have the access to sort of control anyone's devices in the room, people can get siblings can get a bit you know be fun with like be notorious with each other कि किसी के भी पंखे किसी की भी लाइट्स एसी कभी भी अपनी मन मर्जी से ऑन कर रहे हैं. So what we had decided was कि okay, let's say you are the owner of the house and the electrician has now done the entire setup and आपके उस पे आपके एप्लीकेशन पे आपके यूज़र लॉगिन पे सब कुछ अवेलेबल है and now you want your family members to join your home. So what you can do is you can just simply go to your profile. आपने एक invite code उन सब के लिए generate किया and you give them all, and now what they can do is कि now when they'll enter the invite code and they'll join your home, they'll select their own rooms and then they'll only get the access to their own they'll only get the access to control the devices in their room, in their own rooms only. They won't be able to access the devices in your room until and unless you give them the access to. So I feel like this is a very helpful sort of scenario जहाँ पे like a person can be the owner of their own respective space only. And let's say कि अगर कोई guest आ रहा है या फिर some like a person has got married and their partner is now moving in with them. So now then they in that case they can give the access to their partner for their room. या फिर कोई guest आ रहा है तो they can give a very time limited access to their room as well. And let's say obviously shared spaces like living rooms and kitchens, वहाँ पे access has to be global. So the owner can always do that कि this is a global access room and anyone who has joined your home can control those devices.
Okay, sounds very useful and helpful, but also I want to understand the security side of it. Because I heard कि जैसे US में cases हुए हैं where people have ring cameras outside their homes or inside, especially in the children's bedroom, and people hack it and then they pass racial comments and like that. तो वो जब वहाँ possible है तो like me sitting in India, so like how do you build that trust कि I can give all the control to these devices, and then I have to feel okay I'm not being watched by anyone else. So
obviously none of our products do have cameras, so I think that perspective is like already removed. Even with our autonomous air purifier as well, it would not have any camera that would be capturing or recording any photos or videos. As a company we are also aware of the fact of the privacy of the consumer, and we fully accept the fact that okay, it's our responsibility to make the spaces not only intelligent but safe as well. So that is one thing that we are very mindful of. Other than that, this one problem that we also identified was ki okay chalo, like let's say you have gotten up a Lumos panel of yours of ours, right? And now an electrician has come up to install it. Now let's say, so at the time of the setting up the entire device, there could be some sort of a phishing attack or like a hacker or some sort of a hacker trying to get the access of your device at the time of installation. So there was this one thing that we had figured out ki okay, what would happen, like we would sort of secure the entire process in such a way ki each and every panel would come with its claim code only. So before setting up the device, you would have to enter the claim code, and if the claim code matches, then only you would be able to set up the device. So you as a consumer who would be having the box would only be able to set up the device. No one else in the vicinity would be able to gain unsupervised access to the device. And even all the transfer that happens of the Wi-Fi credentials between your phone and the device, it is all done in a very secure way. ताकि जो आपके Wi-Fi credentials भी हैं, no one can sniff that.
Right. So now we see that AI is everywhere in our lives today. So and these technologies are coming in very fast, like or at least metro cities में तो accessible भी हैं हमारे लिए. तो what do you think about कि now that for example Neo a robot is launched जिसको $20,000 में आप खरीद सकते हो, and it will cook for you, it will do your vacuum, cleaning, wash your utensils. तो ये आपके सारे काम कर देगा.
Yeah.
तो डू यू थिंक कि फर्दर टेक्नोलॉजीज कैन ऑल्सो कम कि जिसकी वजह से ये जो अभी टेक्नोलॉजी ऑब्सोलीट हो जाएगी? डू यू थिंक?
So, I mean, I would say this much though, that in my personal opinion as well, any humanoid is like a dangerous thing to have in your home, especially with elderly around. Like there is a sort of this sort of opinion and a propaganda around humanoids helping out the elderly at the elder care. Like there's some sort of like there is this perspective out there as well, but I feel like any machine that has limbs is a dangerous sort of
Yeah.
thing to have, and that is like one conscious decision that we took with Isaac as well. So Isaac is like one singular body only, does not have any limbs, because limbs with a machine, with a self-learning machine especially, is a dangerous thing to have, because one software glitch and you just don't know what could happen next. And it's a dangerous thing to have, you know, around your infants, around your kids, around your grandparents, parents as well. So that is something which
And believe me, I also believe that. मैंने तो Terminator देखी है.
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
No.
नहीं. So
I've
in
not.
that movie, machines take over
Yeah.
human civilization and they try to kill all the human.
yeah.
तो
So I mean, that is something that I can never really get on that wagon ki okay, the robot machines should have limbs, because that is a dangerous aspect for myself
Yeah.
as well. That I would say is an actual threat
so
to humanity.
like 20 years back, like when I saw the movie, so I was also of the same idea कि ये तो नहीं होगा कभी.
Yeah.
But now अब ये हो गया है. Like
Yeah.
even if we like it or
Yeah.
not, the robot is in the market.
Yeah.
And people can also take it on rent.
Yeah.
और खरीद भी सकते हैं और घर में रख सकते हैं. तो the technology is actually there even if we like it or not. तो some people might prefer it. I mean, who would not want कि अगर मैं थक के बाहर से काम करके
Yeah,
आ
yeah,
रही
yeah.
हूँ, there is a robot and I can just switch it on and it'll do all the work for me and I can do and sit my art and write
Yeah,
my
yeah,
poetry. So people might like it also. So you know, it happens like that.
I
कि
mean,
technology
I guess
को
that is something which is like very much personal as well.
yeah.
But I do believe that the adaptability of humanoids in Indian homes would be a lot less. I think I can still understand their usage in manufacturing in factories, but in homes I would not like, even as like a founder of a tech company, I would not prefer to go that way.
Okay. You're right. It might take some time for it to come to India.
Yeah.
पर आपको क्या लगता है कि let's say आज हम यहाँ बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, it's 2026. So let's say after 10 years you and I we meet again. तो ये घर कैसा दिखेगा? Like ये जगह, will it change? Anything will change?
I mean, I would
in
hope
terms of
yeah.
technology. Yeah.
I would hope कि 10 साल बाद यहाँ पे एक इसाक हो, एक दो इसाक हो, you know, which would be like a proof to a testament as well that, you know, we built a long lasting product. And even with what our vision with, you know, Isaac is that it would be sort of like a companion. So I would prefer actual, like, you know, companion robots rather than machines with limbs. As long as, you know, there are machines with no limbs, I think I'll be happy to have them around. But anytime with limbs, I think that would be a big red flag.
But you're still okay with, like, let's say I have a coffee machine and a robotic arm serving me the coffee, or
Yeah,
like
no, I mean,
in small parts, you are saying that's okay.
I mean, as I said, any machine with limbs is a scary thing for me, especially.
No,
For
yeah,
me
it is
personally,
scary.
yeah.
But in 10 years, might change.
Yeah, in 10 years, yeah, it might change, yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, so now I have some business questions.
Yeah.
तो लोगों के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर स्टार्टअप करना तो स्लाइटली आई वुड से ईजियर होता है, बट यू हैव अ हार्डवेयर
Yeah.
स्टार्टअप. तो क्या आपको चैलेंजेस आए सप्लाई चेन को समझने में, उसको इंटीग्रेट करने में और अपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग खुद करने में? Like, what was your journey like?
I mean, yeah, I feel like it's like one of the most difficult parts, especially to start a hardware startup in India. I feel like it's the most, like, it's a really uphill battle, and even the mountain is Mount Everest when it comes to starting a hardware startup in India, just because like there is so much, like there's not much, but there's so like very little resources actually for our
Mhm.
usage. And when there is when there's an access to a Chinese manufacturer who is able to make it for you at a very cheaper price, that part is always enticing as well. But obviously it comes with its own sort of
Risk.
yeah, it comes with its own sort of risk that they are then controlling the supply chain, the
Yeah.
design, the manufacturing, the price as well. And obviously with the Indo-China tensions always being around,
Mhm.
and so there's always that part of risk with the supply chain as well. You just never know what happens in the future, and either of the governments sort of put a hold to it. So I think that is also something that we were very well aware of. Okay, like obviously they would give you a great margins as well,
Mhm.
but quality is something that we always wanted to go ahead with, because there are already a lot of mediocre quality products in the market already. So we wanted to be different from that as well.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
make in India.
Yeah.
Definitely a great thought. Okay, Kanish. So, could you tell me कि how did you get your first customer? तो उसको आपने पहले कैसे उससे बात करी या how did you sell your first product?
So first customer, so like we thought I think it's best to sort of reach out to family and friends only,
Yeah.
because this sort of a thing is highly dependent on the trust factor as well.
Hmm.
So we figured out that okay, I think it's just best to reach out to the immediate family, the personal and the professional network, and pitch it to them if anyone's getting their
ठीक है.
house renovated.
तो
or
अपने
they
ही घर
got
में
a-
तुमने
No, actually, I mean, my house is also like under renovation only. So like
okay.
I will be my own third, like I will be my own customer soon enough.
Mhm.
But my cousin actually sort of, so
Okay.
his house was getting renovated
Hmm.
as well. So I pitched it to him, and
Yeah.
yeah, I think he was happy enough to, be the first one.
Which is
And,
the best part I think that there is about India कि
Yeah.
आप अपने फैमिली को बोल
Yeah,
सकते हो
yeah.
कि ये करना है.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think it was a good one. I think he was on board with the idea as well, and obviously, like, it was the first one, so we didn't really think about
Mhm.
making the most out of it financially. So we just wanted a good experience with the customer as well, have a sense of how things work around with electricians and the whole delivery and the management of it. So I think it was a good experience. Especially given that it was within the immediate family only, it was a rather smooth one too.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, great. और आप मुझे प्राइसिंग के बारे में बताओगे कि लेट्स से somebody who has a 2 BHK और a 3 BHK, तो उसको अगर सिर्फ ये लूमॉस स्मार्ट स्विचेस लगाने हैं तो कैसे है आपकी प्राइसिंग?
So basically our pricing starts from 50,000.
ओके.
So in that 50,000 package you get around 8 panels around alongside an Amazon Echo Pop. So I think this is sufficient when you want a very basic set of automation for a 2 BHK or a 1 BHK. But obviously in cases of 3 BHK or 4 BHKs, especially builder floors where usually the number of switches exceed 40 and 50, and they are of various sizes as well. So in that case, so we do have our own set of packages as well that we sell out for 3 BHK. Like for example, in a 3 BHK, which is currently at 1.75 lakhs. So in that we give around 35 Lumos panels. And yeah, so basically what we'll do is we currently have our own assumption of what a 3 BHK includes. And that is so we have included all sets of vast variety of switches panels in those. Now in cases where someone's requirement is a bit different, then we develop the quotation accordingly.
Then you can
And
customize.
yeah, then we can customize. Like, the customization part is always available.
Okay.
In cases that yours requirement does
So-
not really match with ours, so in that case the customization would be done and the quotation would be provided.
तो आप बोल रहे हो it's quite affordable for the Indian consumer right now.
Yeah, so actually we did make this conscious effort to sort of make it much more accessible when it comes to the price point as well. Especially given that what we did our own research at what other price points the other brands, the other distributors are selling.
Yeah.
So we figured out a very sweet spot for us as well,
Right.
to be able to give them a good experience at a good price point.
Yeah, totally. And I think you are doing a great job in that. Another interesting question I have is, तो क्या, like while managing a business, तो क्या उसमें कभी आपके co-founder से लड़ाई हुई है या या हुई है तो like how you solved it, or because you know there are
Yeah.
always
I mean, the most
Things
recent
like-
one has been with names only.
okay,
What names to actually go for.
okay.
But yeah, other than that, there are always things with the
Mm-hmm.
with the supply chain, with the manufacturers, which one to go for, what platform to choose. Otherwise, like I feel like they've always been like small nitpickings only. There never have been a like in a major fight, because you know if it would happen, then we would not have gone through the pain of registering the startup and opening the
Yeah.
bank account. So I think I mean the recent one has been the choosing of names only.
Okay, okay. So you're very honest.
Yeah.
तो अगर कनिष्क आपको 3 चीज़ें बतानी है किसी भी एक यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर को जो एक नया बिजनेस किसी भी फील्ड में स्टार्ट कर
Yeah.
रहा है, तो आप उसे क्या 3 टिप्स या एडवाइस दोगे?
I mean, this is my first one only, so even I'm figuring out the tips and tricks
Yeah.
for myself.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I feel like in today's day and age with the availability of AI, I think the barrier to be an entrepreneur and start your own business has very much lowered down.
Mm-hmm.
Where anyone with a Claude subscription can make their own product and then start selling to their own customer base. So I think that is a very good thing, where like anyone with any idea now can actually opt for it. Like they don't have to now go through the entire pain point of assembling a team, getting the investment and things like that. Now they can actually, even if they do not know how to code and they now want to get into the tech industry as well, I think that has also become very easy with the availability of AI. So I think that's a good thing. And yeah, if anyone has an idea, I think now is the time to go for it, rather than like let's say even a
Wait.
decade back, it used to be an entire process. But now if you have an idea, you can almost get your product done in like 1 or 2 weeks, and then you can sell it whether you're in college or school.
Great. I'm sure whoever is
Yeah.
listening is really inspired right now. तो हम एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर करते हैं just for fun. And you don't have to think much. You can just answer in one sentence or one word, or okay. So what's your next product that you have in mind that you want to build?
So it's actually a thing for kitchen automation only.
Okay.
So basically, the containers, they obviously get the moisture levels change, which can obviously affect the grains, infestation, and basically just sort of help consumers automate ki the quantity is now very less in this particular container, so you can order it via Blinkit or Zomato, things like that. So that is something that now we're working on.
Okay. Very interesting. Name your favorite entrepreneur, if you have any.
Not really.
Okay. Okay, fine. Or anyone you
I mean-
have that who inspires you or motivates you. Any?
I feel like if I actually think about it, I think Kalpe is one of the better tech entrepreneurs around, because to break into a very crowded market and then make a name for themselves just basis on the design and the marketing, I think that is a very commendable effort that he was able to pull off.
Okay, okay. And one book that you would recommend everyone to read.
Not really a book person myself.
Okay, then
I would suggest Geronimo Stilton. That was it's a children's book. That's the last one that I actually read back in 8th, 9th standard. It's been some
the
time.
story book.
I think it's a series
It's a
only. I think
series,
it's a
okay.
series of Geronimo Stilton is like a character, it's a
Okay, okay,
mouse
okay.
kind of thing. It's very much for children.
Okay. Is there a daily habit that has contributed to your success?
I think using Claude.
Okay.
I think
Use Claude.
that has been one, yeah.
Okay. 5 years from now, where do you want Mishams to be?
Probably nearing IPO.
Okay,
Is
great.
that possible?
Great. What is the biggest misconception that you think that customers have towards smart homes?
I think the fact that most of them do not, associate smart home with like a complete sort of a rehaul of their electrical layout, which is not true. I think we do provide, we are providing retrofit panels is only where the hassle of now opting for smart home is like very very less. आपके जो existing panels हैं, we just remove those and we just add ours. It's just as simple as that. There is no rewiring required. There would be no repainting required either.
Okay. One startup lesson that you want to share?
I think marketing is very important.
Marketing. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I think like I figured out that when marketing is not posting on Instagram, I think that was my biggest lesson while working on this.
Okay. So yeah, that was it for the rapid fire, and thank you so much for being on the show.
No, thank you.
It was
giving me the
really
platform as well.
it was really great having you. Thank you.
Thank you.
मुझे लगता है कि इस कॉन्वर्सेशन से हम सबको एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट मैसेज मिलता है कि स्टार्टअप सिर्फ एक बिजनेस नहीं है, ये एक माइंडसेट है टू फॉलो योर ड्रीम्स, टू फॉलो योर आइडियाज़, ताकि कल को मुझे ये ना सोचना पड़े कि ओ आई शुड हैव डन दैट। तो अगर आप अपने घर में कोई स्मार्ट डिवाइस लगाना चाहेंगे तो वो क्या होगा, तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइए। एंड इफ़ यू लाइक द कॉन्वर्सेशन देन डू लाइक द वीडियो एंड इसको अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर कीजिए। और अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल स्क्रिप्टिंग लाइफ विद बरखा, वेयर आई होस्ट द शो करियर टॉक्स विद बरखा, ताकि मैं ऐसे ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरीज आपके लिए लाती रहूं। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में। अंटिल देन कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप ग्रोइंग। थैंक यू।